A 2022 Dodge Ram key fob. If you want to replace your battery, this is how you're going to do it. All right, so you got a button right here on the right side. Push and hold it down with your thumb. Pull the emergency key out. It's going to allow you to split this remote open without doing any damage to the corners or anything. We're going to do all the damage to this side here, okay? So what we're going to do is there's a little crack right here, a little hole. Get a flathead screwdriver, put it in here, okay, like this. Give it a little bit of a pry up like that. You can hear it kind of crack open. Sounds kind of bad, but this is how you do it. All right. Same thing on the other side. It's going to kind of go at it a little bit like that. So I'm going to show you. These are the little slots we're going after. Okay, it's perfect for a little screwdriver like this. Put it in here, give it a twist, give it a pry. You might have to do the other side too, okay? So here's our battery. Now, what you're gonna wanna do is slide it down to get it out of here. So slide it down with your thumb, put the screwdriver in the crack, and pry it out, okay? Battery size, I'll show you what that is. CR2450, positive sign facing out towards us. Just place it in here like this. Lock it back in like that. If you need a battery, there's a link in the description box. Takes you to Amazon where you get another Panasonic battery pretty cheap. They're like $2, maybe $4 for two. So check that out. If you need one, get the cover. It just snaps back on just like that. Key goes in. If it locks, you're all done. Well, hope the video was helpful. And if it was, appreciate it. Hit the like button for me. Leave me a comment if you could. Hope to see you again in another video.